If your 2017 Ford Explorer is blowing hot air, don't sweat it just yet, because the fix might be simpler than you think. Nearly half of all AC failures in this model year stem from low refrigerant levels caused by tiny leaks in the discharge line. Before you start replacing expensive components, let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to find the actual root cause. Start with a visual inspection of the lines, then verify that your fuses and compressor clutch are actually receiving power. The evaporator core and blend door actuators are frequent failure points on the 2017 Explorer that often mimic a dead compressor. Don't overlook the pressure switch or the cooling fan module, as these electrical components tell the compressor when to run. While you can easily swap a fuse or a filter, any job involving opening the refrigerant lines requires professional recovery equipment. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple $100 recharge to over $1,000 if the evaporator core needs replacing. Using an OBDI scanner with Ford-specific software can help you pinpoint a bad sensor without turning a single wrench. If you are serious about DIY, a manifold gauge set and a UV leak kit are your best friends for finding systemic issues. Remember, a failed cooling fan module can cause high pressures that force the system to shut down for safety. Diagnose the small stuff first and you might save yourself a massive repair bill. Good luck and stay cool.